quick reference video. 2014 8-speed Hemi Ram BBK header install. Let's see if we can get some light here. Issues: dipstick, can't access it. The bolt onto the block. Pull the starter. Let's see if you can see the starter. Pulled the starter, pulled that bracket, frame bracket for 4-wheel drive. That way you can access some of the underneath bolts. You still can't get at the dipstick. I was able to manipulate it, fit the headers in, tore some of my wrap there, you can see, but I'll paint that up. And then you can see the spacer on the dipstick, top left bolt. Another bolt underneath. The second one from the right backside, I had to knock off 3 threads to get it in. You could probably do it beforehand, but I wasn't pulling them back out once I snaked them up through the cat side, or the Y pipe. And yeah, a lot of 24-inch quarter extension, a lot of swivels, and yeah, you can get her done. Yeah, button her up. Alright, passenger side. No big issues there. Had a couple broken bolts. One vice grips, heat. Other one welded a nut on, came right out. Got to snake it through underneath. It'll fit right underneath the cat Y pipe, in between the frame. She'll snake up there with a little persuasion, but get some better light here. Yeah, no real issues with bolting, except start the two under the collector, and then they'll slide in. Another thing, the bolts they give you will seem way too long, and that's just to help you align if you don't have an extra set of hands. As you can see, I got about 4 60,000ths washers there to kind of snug everything up tight. Same thing with the other side. So you can get your lock washers and your nuts on to help pull from the header side. But yeah, other than that, ready to fire her up here. Just a wrap burning. Check it after a Hyundai.